Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this video for how to change your headlight bulbs in a 2008 Ford Expedition. This should be the same from a 2007 to 2017. I will be changing my headlights over to LED, so a lot of the steps in this will be unnecessary for most people who are only replacing the bulb, not converting to LED. I'll try to keep you informed as we go. Thank you for watching. Feel free to hit like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks. So to remove the headlight, you're going to take this bolt out and this bolt out. Pull up on this tab. Then the whole light assembly should pull straight out. You can use a ratchet. I'm going to use a impact just because it's easier and quicker. Once you get it out, there are 3 plugs on the back side. This one is your turn signal. Give it a quarter turn, pull out. This one is your headlight. Give it a quarter turn and it slides out. This one is your marker light. Quarter turn and it pulls out. I'm going to take a wild guess that the purple with the white stripe is going to be the marker, not the blinker, as that's what all the others have been. But I'll show you how to check it. We'll turn on the marker lights and we'll be able to test which one is live. Found a good ground. I stick my tester right there. That's just the marker light. That's the marker light. There's only 3 wires, so the other one must be the turn signal and the ground. So here I am installing the resistor. I'm connecting one side of the resistor to the turn signal wire and one side of the resistor to the ground wire. All you do, you slide your new LED bulb in there, or your new incandescent, and make sure that it does not hyper flash. There is not a hyper flash, so that means it's good to go. We'll check our parking lights. They work perfect. So if you're installing LEDs, you can go ahead, take your LED, slide it into the light fixture, and give it a turn till it snaps. It's in. This will plug into the existing harness, which is this one right here. There's a tab right here. You'll push that tab down, wiggle the old bulb out, set it to the side. Whenever you bring the new bulb in here, you will install the side marker light first.
we've installed the side marker light right here. Now we'll take this, connect the new headlight, the new LED to it, and then you will, as you get closer, you will insert the turn signal light. You'll insert it into the socket and give it a quarter turn, and it'll be in. It will look just like this. You'll reinstall it the same way that it came out. Slide it in right there, push it in, put your 2 bolts in, and you're done.
These are the low beams. The right side is LED, the left side is halogen. And here's the high beams. The right side is LED, the left side is halogen. LED turn signals, high beam LED, low beam LED. Low beam LEDs, and high beam LEDs. The picture doesn't really do it justice, but I see a significant improvement using LEDs over the original halogens.